Object Tracker. The object tracker, with search function, consists of two parts, transmitter and receiver respectively. The tracker is to remind you when your belongings is out of range. If it happens, the receiver beeps, vibrates and the indicator is on. To use the tracker, just simply attach the transmitter together with your belongings, your child or your pet. You just need to bring the receiver with you. On the other hand, the receiver can help you to find something or someone missing, if he, she, it is attached with the transmitter. Just turn to search mode SON on the receiver. When the transmitter is in range, the receiver beeps, flashes the indicator and vibrates to inform you. Besides, the object tracker can be used as a burglar alarm. Attach the transmitter with your belongings. If someone takes it away, the receiver sounds to let you know. The range is adjustable to suit your applications. The device can also be used as an aid for those who have temporarily or permanently lost their hearing or sight ability. It informs the user visually, acoustically and tactually. Wide effective range can achieve up to 20 meters. The applications include 1. To guard your iPhone, PSP, iPod, keys and wallet. 2. To guard your bicycle, motorcycle or vehicle. 3. To guard your pet. 4. To guard your suitcase, portfolio, luggage and handbag. 5. To guard your baby or child. 6. The device can also be used as an aid for those who have temporarily or permanently lost their hearing or sight ability. Operation 1. Distance reminder. 1. Adjust the range to maximum, switch the receiver at end position, it beeps and starts receiving signal. 2. Put the transmitter close to the receiver and turn on the transmitter. The receiver beeps twice. Attach the transmitter to an object or someone. 3. When the transmitter is in distance, the receiver flashes the LED, but no sound and no vibration. 4. When the transmitter is not in range, the receiver beeps 4 times per interval and vibrates to remind the user. The range can be adjusted to suit users' applications. Operation 2. Searching mode. 1. Switch the receiver to S position. 2. If the transmitter is not in range, the receiver keeps the indicator on, and beeps without vibration. 3. When the transmitter is in distance, the receiver flashes the indicator and makes beeps, 4 times in interval with vibration. 4. Adjust the range to less sensitive when the receiver detects the object but you cannot see the target. Keep searching in different directions until the receiver sounds again. Keep using this method, you will find the object. 5. Make sure that the transmitter is on, and it operates normally. Otherwise, the receiver will not be able to find the transmitter. Operation 3. Pairing transmitter to receiver. 1. Turn on the transmitter. 2. Adjust the receiver's range to maximum, and switch the receiver to end position. The receiver keeps beeping and the indicator is on. When the receiver pairs the transmitter successfully, it beeps twice and the indicator starts flashing without beeping and vibration. Operation 4. Incoming call reminder. Turn on the receiver at end position, put it close to your mobile phone. It beeps and vibrates when your mobile phone is sending signal. This feature is applicable to some mobile phones only. Operation 5. Change of batteries. 1. Receiver. When the indicator is dim, change battery as shown. It is recommended the use of alkalized battery. 2. Transmitter. When the indicator is dim, change battery as shown. Technical specifications. 1. Receiver. 1. Dimensions: 60 mm x 36 mm x 15 mm. 2. Frequency: 422 MHz. 3. Sensitivity: -100 dBm. 4. Frequency type: ASK. 5. Operation voltage: 1.5 voltages. 6. Battery type: AAA size, 1 piece. 7. Battery life: 30 days, if use alkalized battery, 8 hours a day. 8. Weight: 35.5 grams. 2. Transmitter: 1. Dimensions: 24.5 mm diameter, 7 mm thick. 2. Frequency: 422 MHz. 3. Frequency type, ASK. 4. Operation voltage, 3 voltages. 5. Battery type, CR2032, 1 piece. 6. Battery life, 15 days, if 8 hours a day. 7. Weight, 9.3 grams. 3. Package, 1. Package weight, 53.5 grams. 2. Package dimensions, 200 mm x 81 mm x 15 mm. Precautions, 1. This product is not waterproof, use it in dry conditions. 2. Do not use alcohol, acidic or corrosive liquid to clean this product, use a cloth with little diluted detergent to wipe the surface, if necessary. 3. Do not disassemble this product. 4. Do not use on plane. Thank you for watching.